whatever you say. CV, resume, and biodata. CV is the most important for your career. So, now we'll discuss how you can prepare most effective resume and what are the mistakes you did. CV should be colorful and very decorative. The more pages a CV has, the more value it addition. Give unnecessary information, such as skills whatever you don't know properly or have little knowledge. CV is like brochure of yourself. That should be precise, concrete, and highlighted with your most valuable skills and information. How can you make the CV most effective? Mention the correct information in your CV. Number 1. Your personal information. That includes name, address, email ID, mobile number, religion, and nationality. Number 2. Education details. Mention all academic education details, including year, university, and percentage. Number 3. Extracurriculum. Mention all your extra skills like computer, any other skills you have. Number 4. Experience. Mention only those experience which you have all the proofs like offer letter, bank statement, payslips, release letter. Don't do such mistakes. Number 1. Don't provide any false information. Number 2. Don't try to hide if have any year gap or anything. Rather, explain the actual reason. Number 3. Don't present false experience to hide the year gaps.